Once you eat one, you cannot stop. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making chiacchiere, traditional Italian fried cookies, a street food that dates back to the Roman Empire. These delicate treats were originally sold during Saturnali festivities, similar to today's Carnival celebrations. Throughout Italy, they're known by different names like bugie, frappe, crostoli, cenci and stracci. But they all share the same delicious heritage as a festive treat made in large batches to last throughout the celebrations. I'll show you two versions of this recipe, traditional fried method and a lighter baked alternative, so you can choose which one works best for you. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. You can also add lemon or orange zest. In a stand mixer bowl with paddle attachment, add flour, sugar, salt, butter and white wine. Separate 2 egg whites from the yolks and add to the mixture 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg. Mix while gradually adding fresh water until you have a smooth dough. Don't rush, you do not want the dough to be too moist. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. Now let's start shaping our pastries. Take your dough and cut it into pieces, then feed it through the pasta machine. I'm using one for simplicity, but a rolling pin works just as well. Keep rolling it through until you hear a bubble burst. That's your sign the dough is perfectly compact and ready. Roll out 6 long sheets, just like you would for lasagna. You can make them as thin as you like. Here I keep the roll at the large setting. You may want to make them thinner if you're baking them. Cut these sheets into small rectangles. Make a cut in the center of each one. Now for the fun part. Twist one end through the center, opening to create that classic shape. Keep going until you've shaped them all. And don't forget to flour your surface well. We don't want these delicate pastries sticking to the table. Now for the frying. I'm using a deep fryer as it makes the process so much easier to control the temperature. I make a large batch as they last for weeks. Heat your oil to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Put your pastries in and watch them turn into a beautiful golden color. It only takes about 30 seconds on each side. Simply lift the basket out and transfer them onto paper towels. This helps absorb any excess oil and keeps them perfectly crispy. If you prefer to bake them instead, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your shaped pastries on a baking sheet, leaving a bit of space between them. Pop them in the oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes until they turn a lovely golden brown. Just give them a fresh dusting of powdered sugar right before serving. Whether you choose to fry or bake them, make sure to prepare a big batch. They'll last for several days throughout the Carnival season. Store your pastries in an airtight container to keep them crisp. I'd love to hear which version you prefer. Drop a comment below and let me know. For more fried street food recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Chiacchiere means gossip, and bugie means lies. I wonder how they got these names.